Hello students, I am Miss Mel Kokri, working as assistant professor in electrical engineering department. We are studying module 1 load forecasting of power system planning and reliability. In last lecture we were discussed the factors affecting on load forecasting, also some load forecasting methods. In this lecture we will study the forecasting techniques. Okay, so there are three forecasting techniques, that is extrapolation, correlation and combination of both extrapolation and correlation. Okay, see, extrapolation technique is a time series method and it uses the historical data as the basis of estimating future outcomes. And the correlation technique is a econometric forecasting method, and it's identifying the underlying factors that might influence the variable that is being forecast. Okay, we will see the first technique, that is extrapolation technique. Okay, see, the extrapolation technique involves fitting trend curves to basic historical data adjusted to reflect the growth trend itself, with a trend curve forecast is obtained by evaluating curve function at desired future point. Okay, although a very simple procedure, it produces reasonable results in some instances. Okay, such a technique is to be classified as the deterministic extrapolation. म्हणजे ही सिस्टम कशी अगदी सिंपल आहे, अगदी त्याची प्रोसिजर खूप सिंपल असते एक्स्ट्रापोलेशन टेक्निकची, आणि ती काय करते, काय प्रोड्यूस करते, तर आपल्याला रिझनेबल रिझल्ट देते, प्रोव्हाइड करते काही इन्स्टन्सला. ओके, सो ही जी टेक्निक आहे ती डिटर्मिनिस्टिक एक्स्ट्रापोलेशन टेक्निकमध्ये क्लासिफाईड होते. ओके, सिन्स no attempt is made to account for random errors in data or in analytical model. Okay, some 8 to 10 standards analytical functions are used in trend curve fitting, including straight line, which is y is equals to a plus bx, parabola, which is y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, then S curve, which is y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube. Then exponential, that is y is equals to c e raised to dx, and Jompers, that is y is equals to inverse Laplace of a plus c e raised to dx. Okay, the most common curve fitting technique for finding coefficients and exponents, that is a to d, of a function in a given forecast is the method of least square. So if the uncertainty of extrapolated results is to be quantified using statistical entities such as mean and variance, the basic technique becomes now parabolistic extrapolation. जर स्टॅटिस्टिकल एंटिटीज यूज करून आपण जर अनसर्टन्टीज फाइंड आउट केल्या, ओके, फोरकास्टिंग केलं, तर ती टेक्निक कोणती होते, पॅराबोलिस्टिक एक्स्ट्रापोलेशन टेक्निक होते. ओके, the uncertainty arises from two sources. First one is uncertainty in the historical data, and second one is uncertainty in the analytical model chosen to describe the underlying growth in load. Okay, the use of stochastic model to generate a forecast from random ellipse derived from historical data has been investigated. With the model matched to fixed historical demand data, the forecast is obtained by exciting the transformed model by random ellipse whose statistics are known. Okay, this is about the extrapolation technique. Okay, the base trend curve is obtained by using regression analysis, and the best estimate may be obtained by using equation of based trend curve. Okay, the next method is correlation technique. Okay, the second technique is correlation technique. Okay, correlation technique correlation techniques of forecasting relate system loads to various demographic and economic factors. See, demographic means scientific study of the human population. Okay, this is demographic. So, the correlation technique of forecasting is relate the system loads to various demographic and economic factors. Okay, this approach is advantageous in forcing the forecaster to understand clearly the interrelationship between load growth pattern and other measurable factors. Okay, the most obvious disadvantage, however, results from the need to forecast demographic and economic factors, which can be more difficult. Okay, so the typically such factors are typically such factors as population, employment, then building permits, appliance saturation, business indicators, then weather data, and like are used in correlation technique. Okay, correlation technique मध्ये कोणते फॅक्टर्स होतात असतात तर पॉप्युलेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, then building permits, appliance saturation, business indicators, weather data. Okay, so no one technique is forecasting method is effective in all such situations. Okay, the use of simple curve fitting techniques is adequate for utilities. Okay, युटिलिटीसाठी एक सिंपल कर्व फिटिंग टेक्निक युजफुल असते. इन एनी केस फोरकास्टिंग टेक्निक्स मस्ट बी यूज्ड ॲज टूल्स टू एड द प्लॅनर. Good judgment and experience can never be completely replaced. Okay, that means no forecasting method is effective in all situations. Okay, designer must have good judgment and experience to make a forecasting method effective. This is about the correlation technique. The next part we will see in next lecture. Thank you.